Okay, hello, my name is Edward Vaughan, and I'm here to continue our session with the ICT Functional Skills Level 2. I'm at Task 6, but for Task 6, I'm only going to show you how to do your mail merge. So for the mail merge section, this is how it's done. So we're going to do this section right here. So to do this is what you do. You first of all go to your folder viewer and open resources, and then you open your cover letter, which they want you to open. You can see it right here. Right, now when you open your cover letter, we can start doing our mail merge. So to do our mail merge, we go to Tools, Mail Merge, Sets and Edit Mail Merge. Now we need to import our list. So I'm going to go to Browse, and I have a list that is found in my resources folder called personnel.csv. So I'll choose that one, and then please watch what I'm doing now, because this part is very important. Now they want the name to be over here, so what I'm doing now, I'm erasing the tag of the name tag there, and I'm inserting my first name. So my first name is found in this section, so I just press insert like this. So that's my first name, and then I'm going to my address, and I'm going to find my address section, and I'm pressing insert again, insert. Then I'm going to my role, and I'm going to find my role, and I'm pressing insert. Now I can also insert I can insert my first name there and also last name. So I'll choose another one there, and I'll press insert again for surname, and that's my insertion of my blocks. So now I can just press OK. So this is the layout of my mail merge. So now I can go back to Tools, choose Mail Merge, and choose Preview Merge. Now I can use the next button to view all of my names on my list, and then I can close my preview, and then I can go back to Tools, Mail Merge, and then Merge to Print. So I must do 3 steps. So now I can just press print, because I'm happy with the settings. So I'll just press OK, and that's it. My merge has gone through, and my merge has been printed. Right, so I can just save that. So I'm going to File and Save, and that's my mail merge. And if I got anything like this in a test to do a mail merge, then I would do it that way. I'm going on to task 7 now, because the rest of task 6 is quite straightforward. Yeah, the rest of it is quite straightforward. You have to insert on the graph you did in task 5, and insert the image, and make sure that there aren't any mistakes. So when you're doing your test, Make sure that you read through the question. Make sure you read make sure you read through your answers as well. And make sure that when you're doing your test, you scroll down. You scroll right down. So if you stop there, you won't be able to see what's below. So it is very important to scroll right down like this. Okay. So I'm going on to task 7 now. Task 7 says, organize your completed files so that City Cuisine's accountants and secretary can find them easily. The accountant needs to use the financial data. The secretary needs to use the other files. Make sure that you give your folders suitable names. Alright, you also need to keep the files you were given separate from your completed work. Right, now to do this, well, you just do a very simple thing. You can just go to your, I'll do it. Right, so I'm going to folder viewer here. So when it's open, I choose new folder. So it's folder viewer and I choose new folder, and here I can press inside and give my folder a new name. So I'll call this completed work. And then I can just copy. I can press on my traffic server. I can press copy. I can open my folder and paste. So I could get all my work I've done from resources as well. I could choose that one there. I can choose restaurants.cv, press copy, go back to my folder that I just made and press paste. Right, so this gives you an idea of how you would organize your folders and your work. Okay, so that is how you would answer task 7. Okay, we're going on to task 8 now. The manager is worried about the risk of computer viruses. Check the computer for viruses. Make sure you use the most up-to-date virus definitions, and when you finish, as usual, click on forward. Now to do this part, all you do, you press on this symbol right here. Now the first thing you do, you press on check for updates. So I press on the first one to answer my question, which is check for updates. And then after I check for my updates, I can then scan my system. So I press, right, so I can close that now. Then I can go back to it and then scan computer. So if you do those two steps, then you're getting full marks for task 8. Okay, taking a bit long. Right, so that's finished. Scan complete. No viruses were found. So again, please remember to check for updates first and then scan your computer. So that's task 8. Now I'm going to task 9, which is the final question. In task 9, they want you to complete a survey. So we need to go to this website. So I'm going to highlight all of this link. Okay. After that, I'm going to go to my web browser and choose edit and paste. Then I'm going to press go. For task 9, you would just copy this link, and then you would just open your browser, your web browser, and then copy that link inside like this, choose edit and paste, and then when the page loads up, you would answer your questions, and then all of that is worth 1 mark. And then when your test is finished, it's always a good idea to go back over your work, check your work for any mistakes, and then when you're happy, press on finish, and that's the end of your test. I hope this demonstration give you a better idea of what to expect on the main test. And well, again, the main thing is you read the questions carefully and do your best. Alright, thank you, and I hope that this video was useful. Goodbye.